Gills took on Dover Athletic last night in our first pre-season game. Come away with a 1-0 victory at the Crabble. And it was a great evening. It's good to see all the Gills fans. It was great weather. I think the Crabble's a fantastic little ground. Here's how the Gills lined up in the first half. Turner in goal. A back four, which I think Ainsworth will go for this season. Clark, Ogie, Coleman and Hutton. Mackenzie and Dack in the middle. Nolan off the left. Wiley off the right. Bridle and Andrews up front. That wasn't really working. I don't know if it was just rust, players coming back into it, but he did make changes about halfway through. Changes in terms of position. Nolan went out to the right where he looked far more comfortable. And Coleman swapped with Mackenzie and Coleman looked far more comfortable in the middle. I thought he was really shaky at centre half. It's good to get these boys minutes. I did think we lacked a little bit of pace maybe. I thought Wiley was quite good. He had some good touches. Dack dominated most of the ball. Andrews worked hard and it was good to see him out on the pitch. And then for the second half, we lined up with far more pace. We had a trialist in at left back. I've already said I think that's a position we'd need to recruit in. I think we need a bit more competition for Clark. And the trialist was Lenny Serino. He's just been released by Blackburn Academy and I thought he did alright. I also thought Theodore was quite good on the right hand side. No end product, but he did look very tricky. Be really interesting to see if he can break into the first team this season. Likely he'll spend the first half of this season out on loan and I hope as high division as possible. Bode played well, similar to Theodore, no end product. And I was super impressed with Palmer Holden. He looks really quick, really strong, very tenacious, and I think he'll fit the profile of League 2 fantastically. There were some possible slight concerns in that 7 first-team players were missing. It is early pre-season, we know about Sam Vokes' arm already, but Smith, the 2 Williams, Rowe, Kambeni and Nevitt weren't there. Hopefully we can get them into pre-season ASAP because we're going to need them next season. But Gills fans, did you attend? What's your thoughts on the game?